Hello, this is Joe. Hey, look what I have here. I have a couple of nail clippers. One's the regular size nail clippers, the other one's for toenails. I just recently ordered these and they arrived, but something's wrong with the toenail clipper here. You'll notice with the regular clippers here, the file is actually under the little lever arm that clips the nails here, and you could pull this out off, and it has these two little tabs that kind of hold this little lever arm in place when it's folded up. But for the toenail clippers, the file's actually on the wrong side, as you can see here, and so the little lever arm here just kind of flops around. And so we're gonna fix that today. Also, you may have experienced for yourself that sometimes these nail clippers fall apart and you have to put them back together. And so I'll show you that also today. Okay, so focusing on the toenail clippers here, you can see, you're probably used to it folding up like this, and you lift it up and fold it out. But you'll notice that if you look right here, let me zoom in, you'll notice that there's it's not a continuous little hole right here. There's actually a notch that is, that you can actually just push down. If you just apply a little pressure like this, you can actually take this little lever arm completely off, as you can see here, and you can put it back. It doesn't take much strength either. So you just kind of push down and remove that, and that will actually remove this little pin, just like that. And you can see taken apart. And so this might be one of your problems here. Maybe it just fell apart and you have to put it back together again. So, it's in 3 different parts here. And so we're gonna put this back together, but in this case, I'm gonna make sure that this lever arm is in the right orientation on this side rather than this side. So to do that, you just wanna put this little pin back in the right orientation. So in this case, the file is on this one. And so I'm gonna put it in like this. So it's just like that. And then again, I'm gonna press down on this little bar here. And then you just put the lever arm back in. You wanna apply a little pressure so you could expose that little notch. Now it doesn't really matter which orientation you put it in. I kinda like to just put it in like this rather than this. It really doesn't matter which direction. So you just wanna make sure that this bar here is in place just like that. You see there, and it's in the right orientation. Now it will clip properly, just like that, and you could fold it up, and these little teeth will hold it in place. And there you go. That is how you take apart and reassemble nail clippers. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen and even consider subscribing to my channel. I have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.